Cartel and cops radar.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The testimony that Vybz Kartel had ordered hits on 3 people from behind bars may have already placed the entertainer on the police's radar for investigation before it was made public, a senior police officer has said. However, it is unclear whether the declarations may figure in consideration of future prosecution of Kartel for other crimes. Head of the Criminal Investigations Branch, Assistant Commissioner of Police Clinton Ling, said the police would naturally have been following up on any such statement that a witness makes in court. The prosecution's second witness in the Klansman Wandon gang trial made the revelation in the Home Circuit Court recently. ACP Ling said that if a witness gave such testimony, it was likely that he or she would have given that in a statement before an investigation was being carried out. What is reported is that no names were called. That is what was reported. That is why I am saying it is likely that the investigators are already aware, he added. Director of Public Prosecutions Paula Llewellyn declined to comment on the matter. Meanwhile, attorney at law Isaac Buchanan, who is seeking to have Kartel's murder conviction overturned at the United Kingdom Privy Council, said his client had not given him any instruction in relation to the claim made by the prosecution's second witness. However, Buchanan is of the view that the witness's testimony is not likely to have any bearing on Kartel. We have what is known as a snitch culture. People have a right to say anything that will get them the least amount of time, Buchanan said. He further added that under the plea agreement law, witnesses will do whatever they need to as a means to get their sentence reduced. Meanwhile, Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of National Security, Senator Matthew Samuda, said that he would not comment on the specific claims made against Kartel. However, Samuda said he was standing by earlier pronouncements he and the Portfolio Minister Dr. Horace Strang had made that incarcerated gangsters had been calling murder hits on people from behind bars. We don't need any vindication or validation of what we have said. We are sure that this is indeed the case, that there are people behind bars who would do everything in their power to continue to run their criminal enterprise, which includes maiming and the murdering of Jamaicans, Samuda said.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!